Okay, why you said I still have problems with determining a niche that doesn't have too many competitors but can be monetized quickly. So if possible in the class, you can have challenge every week where you can help with several niches that can be worked on so that you can monetize quickly. Maybe it can help beginners who have never monetized like me. So why you the last two classes I did live niche research, I think you attended them, right? Of course, like you still have to do the actual work yourself, find the niche, see if it validates. But if there's one tip I can give you, like in the end, it just comes down to testing and moving quick. So just do your research, see if something makes sense, if there isn't too many competitors, if the numbers look good on new channels, and just get into the niche and market and test it out and see how it performs. That's the only way you can see if a niche is going to work. Like you can think about it as long as you want. You can try it, try doing the actual work and checking the numbers as long as you want. But if you do not actually make a channel, upload videos, and just test the channel with 10 to 15 videos, you're never going to know if it's going to work or not, right? So don't get like paralyzed by doing research and just at one point make a list of 10 to 20 channels like we did in the past calls, make a top 3 of channels that have the highest potential, and then just pick the first one, test it, see how it goes. If it doesn't perform, go to the next one and then third one. And that is just the game. That is just the game of testing niches and finding and hitting gold and finding gold, basically.